Oh, here comes the rain. Braking on the straight. And fourth, fifth, fourth will do. Shit, I'm gonna get wet, bro. I'm gonna get so wet. That's it. 100, here we come. I don't need to brake too much on a naked bike when I've got no windshield on. I like to ride, you're meant to ride either one side or the other. So here, there's no cars passing you. Or over to the left side here, when the cars are passing you on a road like this. But I like to ride right in the middle. I mean, I'm still early in my journey. I'll probably find a reason why I shouldn't do that eventually, but I mean, maybe not. Maybe I'm doing the right thing, but I like to ride in the middle because it just seems like it's obviously the least worn down part of the bitumen, so it seems to be, when it rains like this, it's the most grippy. I feel like I've got the most traction in the middle of the road. It might be the wrong thing to do, I don't know, but I'm doing it.